Hello, and welcome to the Pit Stop. Today, I was originally going to be taking out my new snowmobile, as you probably saw in my last video. Due to some carburetor issues, I was unable to do so. Anyways, that leaves me with only one option: the Rice Tractor. Now, if you want to see the full build video and some other cool stuff I did with the Rice Tractor, be sure to go back to my channel and check that stuff out as well. Alright, let's get this Rice Tractor out in the snow. Now you're thinking, is there a more impractical vehicle? No. No, there is not. Alright, now I'm going to try and take you guys along for the ride. Whoa! Let's go! Picking up speed! Let's go! Alright. Oh man, look at that. Alright, let's keep going. Let's hit the roads. Whoa! I think I totaled that thing.